Hi, my name is Prateek and I'm the co-founder of ServicePlus. 8 years back, when I wanted to start my own service center, I did not know what to do, where to start or how to go about it. All I had was just a dream that I will open up my multi-brand two-wheeler service center one day for sure. Fast forward 8 years and here we are. After building and operating multiple service centers across various locations throughout India, catering to tens of thousands of customers and working on pretty much every motorcycle brand out there, today I am very happy to announce about ServicePlus Academy. So ServicePlus Academy is basically everything that we have learned over these years all put together into a single platform. At ServicePlus Academy, we are compiling all of our knowledge and our experience so that we can give you what I could not get. Someone to really show me the way when I wanted to start my workshop 8 years back. So if you're thinking of starting up your own multi-brand two-wheeler service center, you definitely need to check out our first course, which is called Becoming a Motorpreneur. In this course, you will be taught everything you need to know to start your own multi-brand two-wheeler service center. We will be discussing various topics like how do you choose the right location, how do you manage your workshop, how do you set up your infrastructure, and how do you build your team. And you know what? We're also going to be sharing a lot of information and data from our own previous years of experience of handling multiple service centers so that you can take a calculated decision and decide the size, scale of the workshop that you want to start in your city. We're also going to be discussing a lot of things, including a lot of valuable learnings that we have acquired over these years so that you can build, operate and grow your business right from day one. Something that I could have really used when I wanted to open my service center. So all you need to do is take the first step towards your entrepreneur journey. Check out the description, check out the details mentioned below, register yourself for the course and I will see you there.